If you eat lettuce salad every day, what happens to your body? Today, we're breaking down the surprising health benefits of this simple yet powerful dish, lettuce salad. Stick around to find out how a daily bowl of greens can transform your health. Lettuce salad is more than just a low-calorie snack, it's a nutritional powerhouse. A cup of lettuce has fewer than 10 calories, making it the perfect option if you're looking to stay fit without sacrificing flavor. Eat lettuce salad every day, and you'll be getting a daily boost of essential vitamins, like vitamin A, which supports your vision, and vitamin K, crucial for bone health. In fact, just one serving of lettuce provides more than 100% of your recommended daily vitamin K intake. And here's another benefit. Lettuce is packed with water and fiber, which not only aids in digestion, but also keeps you feeling full longer. It's the perfect way to keep your gut healthy and manage your weight at the same time. Lettuce salad is also rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene and lutein. These powerful nutrients protect your cells from damage and keep your skin glowing. So when you're munching on those greens, you're actually giving your skin the glow up it deserves. Feeling stressed? Eating lettuce salad daily may even help with that. Lettuce contains a compound called lactucarium, which has calming and sleep-inducing properties. So that bowl of salad might help you relax and unwind after a busy day. Let's not forget heart health. Lettuce is naturally low in cholesterol and contains folate, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. Adding lettuce salad to your daily routine can help support a healthy heart while being easy on your digestive system. So if you eat lettuce salad every day, you're doing so much more than just enjoying a crunchy, fresh dish. You're boosting your overall health from stronger bones and better digestion to glowing skin and a calmer mind. So next time you're reaching for those greens, remember you're feeding your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Ready to make lettuce salad a daily habit? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments your favorite lettuce salad ingredients.